Today we are making cocoyam. We're making cocoyam. See the color of the cocoyam. That's what we're making today. We call this akas. It's different from the one we use for chicken soup. So I'll go ahead now, peel and cut them into smaller chunks. Let's get started. Now cutting and washing the yam and also cut into cubes. I then go ahead and transfer into the pot. And to it I'll be adding some salt, chopped onions, palm oil, crayfish, fresh pepper, seasoning cubes, smoked Titus fish or mackerel fish, some fresh chopped tomatoes. This one is optional. I'm adding it just because I have it. If you don't have it, you can skip it. And then I'll be garnishing it with scent leaf, which I've washed and cut. I'll also be adding the ginger and the garlic powder. Once it starts boiling, I'll add in the salt, the ginger and garlic powder, the onions, the pepper, the seasoning cube, the palm oil, and the tomatoes. And then cover and allow to continue cooking.